Hi, I'm Jack Howard. I'm the new Global BLONDME Ambassador for Schwarzkopf Professional. I'm here at the BLONDME shoot looking at one of the iconic looks. It's going to be a balayage girl. It's going to be fresh, modern, super sexy, super relevant. This is my beautiful model, Paola. We're going to be creating a balayage look on her. Not only is she beautiful to look at, she also has beautiful hair, lots of it. The balayage look we're going to create is going to be modern, fresh, sexy, totally relevant. We're going to be using BLONDME Bond Enforcing Premium Clay Lightener. We're going to add some pop into the hair, add the dimension, and work with the natural hair colour as well.
Mix BLONDME Bond Enforcing Premium Clay Lightener with 12%, a ratio of 1 to 1.5. In order to create a natural looking effect, you need to take into account the natural hair colour and the negative space. Load your product in the middle, feather up. When you've got enough even layered of lightener on, bring the lightener down towards the ends of the hair. Leave for up to 45 minutes. Don't forget, recommend your client BLONDME All Blondes Bonding Shampoo and treatment for their at-home maintenance.